Top 10 Best Ways to Earn Money in India, 2025. With the rise of digitalization, the pursuit of online earning opportunities in India has surged like never before. But let's be real, earning money online requires dedication, skills, and effort. In this video, we'll uncover the top 10 best ways to earn money in India in 2025. Ready to dive into the digital goldmine? Let's get started. 1. Shopify and Dropshipping. Starting with Shopify and Dropshipping, an ideal way to kickstart your online business. It's simple. Choose a niche, set up a Shopify store, and source products without holding inventory. With an investment of rupees 5,000, 30,000 and a commitment of 2-6 hours daily, you can expect returns of up to rupees 10 lakhs per month. The secret? Consistency and finding the right niche. 2. Blogging. Next up is blogging, a haven for those who love writing. Create a website on WordPress or Wix, pick a niche, and start sharing your expertise. With minimal investment and 4 hours of daily effort, you can earn rupees 10,000 to 1 lakh per month through platforms like Google AdSense. Remember, great content attracts a loyal audience. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a win-win. Promote products via social media, blogs, or websites, and earn commissions for every sale. Platforms like Amazon Associates make it easy to get started, with just rupees 2,000 5,000 as an initial investment. You can earn anywhere from rupees 10,000 to 5 lakhs monthly, depending on your strategy. 4. Freelancing. Freelancing offers unlimited possibilities. Become a content writer, graphic designer, or even a virtual assistant. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect you with clients worldwide. With zero investment, you can work flexible hours and earn rupees 10,000 to 2 lakhs per month. 5. Instagram influencer. Want to turn your social media presence into profit? As an Instagram influencer, you can collaborate with brands and earn money through promotions. Build an audience of at least 10,000 followers, and with just 1-2 hours of work daily, you can make rupees 1-2 lakhs monthly. 6. Starting a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is another exciting avenue. Pick a niche, create engaging content, and grow your subscriber base. Once you hit 10,000 subscribers, monetize your channel through Google AdSense and sponsorships. With dedication, your earnings can range from rupees 50,000 to 8 lakhs per month. 7. Selling online courses. Have expertise in a specific skill? Package it into online courses and earn while teaching others. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to share your knowledge. With zero to minimal investment, this can be a highly lucrative option, earning you up to rupees 10 lakhs monthly. 8. Virtual assistant. Virtual assistants are in high demand for handling tasks like managing emails, data entry, and organizing schedules. With no investment, you can earn rupees 50,000 to 4 lakhs per month by offering your services on platforms like Fiverr. 9. Translator. Fluent in multiple languages? Use your skills as a translator. Translating documents, subtitles, or books can earn you rupees 50,000 to 2 lakhs monthly. Start on freelance platforms or approach businesses directly. 10. Web development. Lastly, web development remains a timeless skill. With increasing demand for websites, this field offers massive earning potential. Build your portfolio and charge competitive rates. Earn up to rupees 10 lakhs per month. So, which of these methods excites you the most? Remember, every journey begins with a single step. With dedication and strategy, you can turn these opportunities into substantial income streams. Subscribe for more tips on earning money online and start your journey today.